All right, Scott, very excited about this. Ready to talk about system pavers. We're talking about turf.
That's right.
That's the number one thing. But before we get into the turf and exactly what we're going to do, we need to know what System Pavers is all about. Alec, tell us.
Hey, thank you. We're going to talk turf today. System Pavers, we are a company that's been around for a little over 30 years now. We are focused on outdoor living design and elevating people's homes and making them want to use their outdoor space more. We've developed a great system of going to homes, doing a complimentary design, following that up with a beautiful installation, and then warrantying that for 25 years. And
love that.
And being around to make sure it lasts a lifetime.
And the people get to reap the benefit of what you've created for them. I'm sure some people are probably every once in a while inviting you over to party with them in the front and backyard that you just recreated.
That's the best part. The best part is going back after it's done, seeing how they use it, how they've decorated it, how they've accessorized it, all the plants around it. Summertime's coming around, so it's going to be a great time to go see that.
All right, I will ask. It seems like, I'm sure you're seeing it too on your drive through around your neighborhood. I know I get on mine. Seems like this transition from grass to turf is very much here.
Yeah, it's happening. I mean, who likes to cut grass every weekend, right?
Nope,
so what we've done, what we love about turf is that it's low maintenance, right? You always have that green, beautiful yard ready for you to enjoy. People drive by, they see it, it's always ready for them. It's always looking fresh. It requires no maintenance. You know, you get a leaf blower or a decent broom and you can kind of clean it up when needed. We use an antimicrobial sand inside there, so it's really good for pets and kids. Super safe, non-toxic, makes for a really enjoyable space. And you know, some of the things you don't think about, like maybe you have allergies to grass or pollen or things like that.
Right.
You eliminate that with turf, which is really great.
Yeah.
When we've got super rainy weekends like we've had, you go outside, we do a really comprehensive drainage installation in there. You got clean grass you can go out and play in. It's gonna be wet, of course, but it's not muddy. Right? You don't come in tracking that mud, tracking that dirt in. It's clean, it's ready to use. And it's a great way to just accentuate your already beautiful space, accentuate paver design, and really create a nice comprehensive design.
You had me at no mowing.
Exactly, right?
Yeah, no mowing, exactly.
I was in.
It does not grow, which is good, which also says you don't need water, so that is actually good. You know, they're not wasting the water.
Environmentally friendly, no water usage, no pesticides, no fertilizers, no having to reseed it and refertilize it every year or every couple months to keep it green. It's always green.
Wow, and you'll come in, you'll give like an estimate and time and cost and everything and kind of make it easy for them.
Give us a call. We will come over, do a consultation with you, look at your space, take some measurements, go over what you want. We'll mate that up with some other elements to create a beautiful space for you, give you a timeline. We can get jobs installed very quickly. We're a very velocity-driven company. We want you to start enjoying that as soon as possible. And then it'll be warranted and protected for 10 years workmanship, 15 years at least on the product. So really great warranty.
Cool.
You have a certain geography that we got to stick in? Where do we?
Greater Sacramento area, Bay Area. We've got teams all over. We're a nationwide company now, so we're growing like crazy. We're up in Seattle area, Portland, Texas, Southern California. We're going to the East Coast, Denver. So this industry is growing like crazy, and we want to take advantage of that. We want to be your provider and give you the service that we grew up and we've developed a reputation for giving.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I love that. I know people are watching right now. They've got some questions. They're thinking, you know what? I could use a little new turf. I could use something like that.
Mow my lawn.
I don't want to mow my lawn. I want some turf. There's weeds coming all over. That's the other thing. Weeds. That's great. Not some weeds.
Weed free. Exactly.
What do we do? I mean, how do we contact you for questions?
Go on our website. Start to look around. You can set an appointment on our website. Call us. Go on our social media. We have got one of the best promotions going on that our clients love. It's free demolition, which means we're going to come out, remove everything that's already there, get it prepped for our space, no cost. It's a great time to get started on it.
There it is, free demolition of That's a nice offer for you.
Yeah, it's really great.
That's for our Studio 40 Live family. You can check it out, systempavers.com. Alec, awesome to have you. Love it. And now I'm going from grass to turf.
Do it. Converted. They're on all the socials. Plus, it's going to look nice and green.
Right?
Yep.